Do you want to get X profile link? You can copy Twitter profile link with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To get your profile link on X, first, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon or picture located at the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From the menu, tap on your profile name to open your profile page. Now, tap on the three dots menu icon at the top right of the profile screen. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From the pop-up menu, tap on the Share option. A sharing menu will appear with different options. From here, tap on Copy Link to copy your profile URL. Your X profile link will now be copied to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere you want, such as messages, bio, or social media platforms.